With Kailo, placement is everything. That's why we created a silicone adhesive that will allow you to place your Kailo exactly where you need it. Once you have found the ideal location to block your pain with the Kailo patch, you'll want to attach an adhesive. Our silicone adhesives are soft on the skin, doesn't pull out the hair, and will re-stick multiple times. First, align the adhesive print side down with the back of your Kailo patch. Holding one end down, remove half of the adhesive backing as you adhere it to the Kailo patch. Peel the second half of the adhesive backing and finish applying it to Kailo. When you are ready to use your pain patch, peel off the clear adhesive backing from Kailo and apply it to your skin or clothing. Additionally, we have a KT tape adhesive as an alternative. Place an individual KT adhesive on the top and bottom of the Kailo perpendicularly and apply. With our adhesive backing, Kailo can be removed and reapplied to your skin multiple times before losing its stickiness. Plus, it can be washed gently with soap and water to renew its adhesive properties. If washing no longer restores the stickiness, simply peel the old adhesive off Kailo and place a new adhesive strip on your patch following the instructions. Kailo, the future of pain relief is here.